Hi, it's Jan Diatri. Lovely things are happening in the 1 Minute Kitchen. Ever had a sweetheart burger? This meal says I love you in every layer, and here's how it's done. Heat up a skillet with some oil. Place a large heart-shaped cookie cutter in the skillet and add your ground beef. Grill on both sides, and when you lift off the cookie cutter, there's your heart. For the fries, two options. Thaw tater tots, crumble and mix with a little flour, then fill cookie cutters with the tots. And when baked, they'll steal your heart. Or peel a potato, cut into slices, cut out hearts, place in a baking sheet, sprinkle with seasonings and olive oil, and when baked, these will steal your heart too. For the bread, frozen bread balls make great hearts. Thaw the dough, then using a mold or a cookie cutter, stuff the dough in and bake. Love it! And you could make hearts to your heart's content with onion slices, with tomatoes. And look at this asparagus heart with a red pepper heart inside. Drizzle with oil and serve. So now go ahead and build a better burger, one that says, I love you just because. We'll see you next time on the 1 Minute Kitchen. 1 Minute Kitchen proudly presented by these sponsors.